sweating. It is now summer. And what did I buy? I didn't buy it. Actually, I needed one. The problem I had was every time I probably lost it. It's probably not on anymore. Every time I need to find the, where is it? Okay, there it is. Time I use a grinder, everybody can't find these stupid tools. There's every single version of it. So went to Horror Freight and picked up one of these adjust the pin wrench. So we'll show you what exactly it is, because this one is the right size. The adjustable pin one has a little thing here. Bought at Harbor Freight, $5. Apparently it goes like so. Goes on this side, and then you just like so. Well, let's try it out. Where's the little button? Yeah. Well, there you go. Perfect. Looks good. I'll tell you that. Yeah. Maybe I'll buy a few more because I keep losing these things. But anyway, I think they're $5.99. And at the rate, I have a magnet on the wall and I have like 4 of these things. I even bought an extra one at, was it Runnings? And the one at Runnings doesn't even fit properly. It's like, oh yeah, extra wrench for your bench grinder. And then I go to try it. It doesn't work on any grinder whatsoever. So I wasn't too impressed with that. What am I doing here? This here, by the way, folks, and I'll tell you in every single video all the time. Put a rope on the end of all your cords like this. See? Tie a knot. And don't just use any kind of rope. Use cotton clothesline cord. Why? Because the clothesline cord has lots of friction. It doesn't have too much friction. It has enough friction to tie this, and you can hang them up. You could use the other method you want. I don't care. But that's my method. You can buy a 50-foot length for like a couple of bucks. But then again, who the hell hangs their clothes up these days? Everybody's so like, I gotta put it in the dryer. So nobody may sell it anymore because everything's plastic. I hate plastic. Anyway, stay tuned to the channel. Got more to show you.